In this video, we're going to be asking you one question. Can you keep a secret? That is correct. We've all kept secrets, and even if not secrets, we've all kept those pieces of information that are supposed to stay private between myself and maybe someone else, like my best friend. Now, this gets a little bit complicated whenever we're working online, and so in order to protect our secrets and protect our information, we can utilize a concept known as cryptography. Let's say that I'm sending a text message to my best friend with something that I don't want anyone else to hear about. But what if we have someone eavesdropping on our conversation, or someone who's intercepted the message while it's being sent? Now, in order to protect our information and to keep us safe, we can leverage an aspect of cryptography known as encryption and decryption to make sure that a message can only be understood between a sender and a receiver. So let's take a look. Let's go ahead and start with the message. My deepest, darkest secret is that I think waffles are better than pancakes. And so in this instance, we call this a plain text, or something that anyone can understand. Versus what we can change this into, using encryption, we can change the characters of the message to showcase something else that someone else wouldn't be able to understand unless they knew exactly what we had done to change the message. The process of changing the plain text message that we can understand into the coded message is called encryption. In this case, we're using a specific type of encryption called a Caesar cipher, or essentially we've shifted the alphabet by a certain number of digits, or what we call a key. In this instance, we've changed A to become B, B to become C, C to become D, and then we have Z becoming A, representing a shift of the alphabet that allows us to hide messages. Just to review, let's go ahead and look at another example of a plain text that says, I am a secret message. What we can do is we can change this message through encryption in order to get what we call a cipher text, which is the same exact message but conveyed using a secret code. And now, in order for a friend to unlock the original message, they can use a process that we call decrypting a code, which relies on you communicating to your friend exactly the way that you've encrypted it, but making sure to not reveal those secrets to anyone else who might be trying to eavesdrop. Now that we've learned just a little bit about cryptography and how to encrypt and decrypt messages, let's go see and test out just how strong and safe this specific type of encryption is. So let's go ahead and go ask people if they can crack the code. Hey there, do you have a couple of seconds to maybe try to crack this code?
Yeah, let's do it.
Awesome. Here is the code. Feel free to take a look. The challenge is, if you can crack this code, I'll go ahead and I'll buy you a coffee. Does that sound good?
Sure, let's do it. So it says hello, is that correct?
That is correct. That was really fast. Can I ask how you did it?
Yeah, so I saw that the M's were the same, and then the P, so all the letters are like close to what it's supposed to be in hello. So it's what? You shift over one letter?
Yeah.
So H goes to I, E goes to F. Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, that was so quick. All right, well, you get a free coffee of your choice. Thank you so much for playing. Hey there, do you happen to have 30 seconds to try to crack this code?
Yeah, totally.
Amazing. Feel free to take the iPad, and if you can crack the code within like 30 seconds, then I'll buy you a free coffee. All right, and that is time. Do you have any random guesses for it? It's okay if not.
Sleep?
Close. So the challenge is I'm gonna hand you this code on my iPad, and if you can figure out what it's saying, then I'll go ahead and buy you any free coffee from anywhere you want.
Okay, sure.
Awesome.
Is it supposed to spell like a real word?
Potentially. Amazing, that's it. It is indeed hello. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'll have 30 seconds to try to crack this code. Okay. And if you get it, then I'll buy you a free coffee.
Okay, let's do it.
This random code.
The C equal D.
Exactly.
L. What comes before P? Oh, is it hello?
It's hello. Amazing.
Oh my gosh. I'd like a latte.
All right, let's go. All right, that's all, folks. Thanks so much for tuning in to learn a bite or a bit about cryptography. And now I have a challenge for you. To end off this video, we want to see, can you create the code and can you crack someone else's code? And so in the comments, create your own secret message and provide a small hint in the comment, and then go ahead and try to see if you can crack another commenter's code. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.